I see you. Girl, this hurts my back, okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janen. You guys, finally I'm back for filming because my acne is taking a break from my face. I mean, I have one here. This one here is almost died. It almost died. And I'm taking a break from filming. I'm putting makeup on because this face needs a break, honey, okay? My face was breaking out, girl, okay? So today, you guys, of course, we're still in quarantine. I don't know when what? I don't know when is this corona giving us a break. Did I say that right? Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? And I was scrolling and watching YouTube, of course. So, you know, it gives me something to do. I mean, watching YouTube gives you something to do, okay? And I came across this Foxy Eyes. So, I'm gonna recreate my sister. My sister, Bella Hadid, girl. You see, I mean... Yo, this eye look has been in my newsfeed, in my YouTube channel, and I was like, I'm gonna recreate this. They call this as Foxy Eyes. I don't know what I'm gonna do because first and foremost, I have a hooded eyelids. I had so many brows, which is tons of brows. So let's go ahead and create this Foxy eye look that she's serving us. So okay, so you guys, as you can see, the brows is nowhere near, but of course I don't want to cut my brows just to get that eye look, right? No, that's not gonna happen. So I already do my brows, so I use my Anastasia and I use my brow soap. If you guys haven't watched how I do my brows using brow soap, please go ahead and check it out. So I'm using this brow soap. I don't know why they call this Foxy Eye. I mean, it looks like cat eye to me, but whatever. So first we're gonna do is I will be using my Too Faced, which is already expired. I have this Too Faced, like this is my first palette along with my Smashback. So we're gonna use this first. I will be using this color, this. And this is called Coconut Cream, whatever. So I'm going to put that here. I mean, ay shit, sobraan. Just in the brow bone. She looks really fierce. I mean, we're not supermodels, so let's not just do that. So we're gonna leave that to her. Yeah. So that's about right, and what I'm gonna do now is I will be using this peanut butter. This one is the name of the shade right here. She's not hooded and she has like very nice eyes, and we don't have that, girl. So okay, so I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this up here. God, did I do this right? I'm gonna start it here. So it's like pataas ba pataas, this one here. So I'm going to do like that. So just for this transition, and I will be taking this up there, all the way there. And I'm using my favorite tapered blending brush. And you guys, this thing give up already, but I'm still gonna use it because why not? Tama maone. So we're just gonna do this. Because my goal here is just to look this like lifted. Like I'm saying, I don't know what I'm talking about, but hear me out, my friend. Can you guys see this? I hope this video won't be compressed by YouTube. Because I'm so sick of every time I upload video, it was compressed by YouTube. I hope I can give this justice. So that's about it. And now what I'm gonna do is taking my Dress Up Detail eyeliner. I will be using the shade Truffle. This one. And I'm gonna use this as my eyeliner, wing eyeliner. Hooded eyelid, so this is kind of challenging, but let's take this challenge because challenge is fun. So what I'm gonna do is taking this all the way up here. So oh god. Okay. Duh. Okay, I don't know if that is right. so I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this up all the way there. Yan. And we're going to fill that over here. Oh, okay. Okay. Kala lifted eye look. Okay, parang nasobrahan. Anyways, worry no less because what we're gonna do is we're going to smudge this out. So I'm taking my MAC 228. I'm going to diffuse this, or shall I say I'm going to make this miserable. You don't need to worry because we have so-called concealer to clean this side here. So I'm just gonna clean that over here. I mean, why not? Diffuse this, bad girl. Is this what it is? Girl, I think this is not right. Well, as long as you look lifted, I think that's all that matters, right? So let me answer my question. Yes, yes. Okay. This liner is all the way to Philippines. That right there is good. Now what we're gonna do is I'm taking back my powder. This time I will be using the butter pecan, this one here. This one, using other side of the brush. And I will be putting this here. Yeah, just in the brow bone area and all the way to the edge. And taking back my broken blending brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend a little bit. So, taking my Sephora collection waterproof retractable eye pencil, I'm going to take this here, this side. I'm gonna fill that and fill this here. Yeah, so I'm just like overdraw. And I'm taking this here inside. Taking back my butter pecan, I'm going to put the color here. Just teared up this area. I don't really do this right, but whatever. Going back to my this one, my MAC, taking truffled and just smoke it out. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, so now, girl, I think that's the only thing I can get, but not bad for hooded eyelids. For my mascara, I will be using Tarte Lights Camera. Okay, so I think that's good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take my Allure London in number 126. Yeah. Back and our lashes is on. If you guys how I put my lashes, check that in my other video. Lashes is done, eyes is done. I mean, look fancier, I guess. Let's move on to our face. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me. We're gonna use this baby because there's a lot of fallouts. You guys, if you didn't know, this is my all-time favorite drugstore concealer. Let's blend this baby. Okay, now we look like a person. Using my Milk makeup, let's set this concealer with the same sponge. Okay, to set everything, I will be using my Sephora, and this is in the shade Matte Tan. One of my favorite powder. Since baby Bella has a very elongated face and we have a circular motion face, we're gonna do a little bit of trick in this baby, okay? So to contour, I will be using my Hula Caramel from Benefit, and this is it's a caramel, and let's contour this bad girl, this face. Let's make this face longer. Okay? Since we don't have a snatch jaw, we're gonna create a jaw. Temple. A power of contouring. Yeah. So you guys, I'm gonna do my nose in the other videos, so I have another content using my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, the deep color. So let's bronze up this baby. Let's diffuse our contour. Bronze it up, baby girl, bronze it up. So what I'm gonna do is taking my foundation brush and just to clean these edges. So I'm taking this. Going to diffuse that or just blend that. So if you guys want to see my nose, how I do my nose, check in the other video. It's going to be in my description box down below. Now let's move on to our blush. For my blush, I will be using my Milani, and this is in a shade Rose the Arrow. So we're just gonna put that in our cheek. Oh, you see? I'm gonna take this up here. Let's move on to our highlighter. So for my highlighter, I will be using the same one, and this is from Wet n Wild, Precious Petals. This is what I use in my nose as well. And I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna put that upward. A little bit in her cupid's bow, a little bit in her chin, a little bit here, because why not? It's lipstick time. For my lipstick, you guys, I want to go ahead and just like in a neutral nude. I mean, nothing new. I'm gonna use my Sephora collection, and this is in a shade 72. This side. Let me just go ahead and use my Tarte lashes and just not overdo it, just a little bit. So yeah, just like that one. I always open my mouth when I do my mascara, like the hell. Okay, so now you guys, let me just go ahead and do my hair. I'm just gonna put my hair down and we'll see. And that's about this for this video, guys. I hope you like my foxy look. Okay, this is my version of it. Not bad. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell on for more videos from me, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye bye. I just wanna dance. I just wanna